Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-350 in a platinum trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, as you can see right there, adding quite a bit of height, sitting on some 20-inch MOTO metal rims with some 37-inch TOYO RT open country tires on there. You also have pocket-style fender flares around the tires and bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires. And you have power deployable running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting into your truck. But let's take a look inside. So first, taking a look into the back, where you have seating for 3 comfortably with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more right here in the middle with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. But then the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for some more security, and fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and then you have 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Do also have massaging front seats, so that's always a nice feature too. So now sitting in the truck with it running, and moving on to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology. And then you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at things such as your trip 1 and 2 stats, your fuel economy, fuel history, and then you also have your compass. Moving on, you do also have information such as your transmission temperature and diesel exhaust fluid, your tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and then all of your service info here. You have your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for some features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. Then you do also have a favorites view where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm. And then your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and then your remote camera view, so you can get the front view as well as 360. And then do also have a premium B&O audio system that's Bang & Olufsen, so your music or whatever you're listening to is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical media controls and climate controls, once again with dual front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. You also have Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet there. And down below you have this compartment which opens to reveal a USB, USB-C, and your wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, just throw it on there and it will begin to charge. Moving to your column shifter real quick, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift your gears, and then you have your drive mode selector on the end here for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand modes, which we don't want to use right now, but there we go. And moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, can be turned into 4, or if you just want to have more space for your stuff as well. And your lockable center compartment / armrest here, which does have a removable tray and a ton of room inside, including another 12-volt power outlet right there. Then looking back, you do also have a power sliding rear window, 6 upfitter switches up here which can be wired up however you please, and last but not least a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck and wouldn't mind some nice upgrades pre-installed right here at Prince George Ford, certainly an excellent choice. Feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.